Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss about the logical operators in C programming. These all operators are called as the logical operators. First one is called as AND operator, second one is called as OR operator, and third one is called as NOT operator. These are two ampersand which are representing AND operator. These two pipe symbols which are representing OR operator. This is an exclamation mark which is representing a NOT operator. Now let's try to understand these operators one by one. AND and OR are used to combine two conditions. Simply they are used to combine two conditions and returns true with all the conditions under consideration are true. That means if all the conditions are true, then only if returns true, and it returns false when any one condition or more than one condition is false. For example, here you can see I have declared a variable and assigned with the value 5. Now in this expression I am going to check certain conditions. If they all are true, then only we would be able to print this statement. Welcome to this beautiful world of operators. Because we know the functionality of if construct, if condition these round bracket evaluates to true, then only we will get inside this if construct and we would be able to print the statement. Now we know this thing that AND operator is used to combine multiple conditions. Therefore in this case, if all the conditions are true, then only this expression would be true and we would be able to print this statement. As we know this thing that a is equal to 5, because 5 is equal to 5, this condition is true. 5 is not equal to 6, as a is equal to 5. We are simply placing the value here. 5 is not equal to 6, therefore this condition is also true. 5 is less than or equal to 56, that is also true. 5 is greater than 4, yes, this condition is also true. They simply means that all the conditions are satisfied, therefore the final result would be true, and here we would be able to print the statement. Welcome to this beautiful world of operators. Now what happens when we use OR operator instead of AND operator? OR returns true when one or more than one condition under consideration is true. Please note down this thing. OR returns true when one or more than one condition under consideration is true. Even though if one condition is true, then all will returns true, and OR returns false if all the conditions under consideration are true. Let us consider one example. We are going to evaluate this expression, and if this expression returns true, then we are simply going to print that statement. Welcome to this beautiful world of operators. We know this thing that 5 is equal to 5, but here we are using an operator not equal to. 5 is not equal to 5 is false, therefore this condition is false. 5 is equal to 6 is also false. 5 is greater than or equal to 56 is also false. 5 greater than 4 is true, as one condition is satisfied, therefore this whole expression will return true, and we are going to print this statement. Welcome to this beautiful world of operators. This is very simple to understand. If suppose this condition will also false, then we get out of this if construct and we would not be able to print this statement. Welcome to this beautiful world of operators. Now let's talk about NOT operator. NOT operator is used to complement the condition under consideration. Now what is the meaning of complement? NOT returns true when condition is false and returns false when condition is true. Complement simply means when the condition is true, it returns false, and when the condition is false, it returns true. Let's try to understand this concept better with the help of one example. Here you can see inside this if construct I have declared one expression a is equals to 6 and I use not operator in the front of this expression, and we know this thing that 5 is not equal to 6, therefore this condition evaluates to false. Because of this not operator, false finally becomes true. Overall this condition evaluates to true, and finally we would be able to print the statement, welcome to this beautiful world of operators. If we are placing a equal to operator instead of not equal to operator, then in that case condition evaluates to true and not equal to operator will results false finally, and we would not be able to print the statement, welcome to this beautiful world of operators. This is very simple to understand. Now let's consider the concept of short circuit in logical operators. Short circuit in case of AND simply means if there is a condition anywhere in the expression that return false, then the rest of the condition will not be evaluated. This is very important point. Here the concept of short circuit is important in the logical operator because this will save a lot of time. Thank you for watching this video.